Welcome dear viewers to this new video in which we present to you an important topic in the world of real estate. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video. Thank you.
Luxembourg is one of the smallest European countries and the second most expensive country in the world. It is characterized by its many bridges, its embrace of history and picturesque nature that blends with architecture, as well as its distinctive infrastructure and advanced transportation system, which made it a destination for tourists and investors in all fields, especially in the field of real estate investment, which constitutes one of the important tributaries of the economy. Motives for real estate investment in Luxembourg. The government provided full assistance and facilities to grant permanent residence to the investor as a result of the purchase of real estate, which encouraged many real estate investments in Luxembourg. In addition to its political stability, low unemployment, the availability of creative workers, a high level of per capita income, and low inflation, which gives him a dynamic nature that stimulates movement. Real estate investments. Real estate investment is one of the most profitable investments in Luxembourg and attracts many foreign and local investors to meet real estate requirements in a market that witnesses development and active movement and achieves security and trust for them to maintain their money and increase their profits in a short time, and without any effort except for the research to choose the best type of real estate investment between different options, including create a large hotel and sell it. The investor finds an appropriate plot of land in one of the main tourist cities in Luxembourg to build a large building in a hotel consisting of several floors in order to resell it to an investor, individuals or other companies, which only requires construction costs and follow-up work from the real estate market to seize the opportunity. The occasion to sell and achieve large returns and profits through this investment and increase the capital. And buying a housing unit with several floors and apartments selling in it. The investor in this type of real estate investment in Luxembourg depends on achieving a profit from the differences between the prices between buying and selling by selling small apartments at high prices that exceed the purchase price within the housing unit, and thus achieving large profitable returns without effort and without an attempt to bear the costs of construction and operation. Create and selling a large farm. This type of real estate investment in Luxembourg depends on buying a large plot of land in a quiet area away from noise and crowding from the main cities to create a large farm that provides all marketing luxury, comfort, and good electronic marketing of the farm to attract many tourists to spend a temporary tourism leave or temporary residence and thus investigate high investment returns. There are many other real estate investments in Luxembourg that achieve great attractiveness and satisfaction with investors due to the ease of starting without complications and do not require large capital due to the flexibility in negotiating during purchases and sale with a real presence of brokers and real estate agents who achieve the goals of investors and capital owners to expand their activities.